I made this video today is because there's something really cool that I want to show you guys. So as you all know, everyone in this world either has an iPhone or a Blackberry right now, and if you don't have one, then you're not cool. But me personally, I do have an iPhone, as you can see here. Yeah, it's pretty cool. But I actually don't think that it's all that useful. I mean, sure, you have like your iTunes and you have your MP3 player, oh, music, oh, that's so good. But I was looking for something more in a telephone. So I called up my friends who were working in RIM, and they got me this sweet hookup. Basically sent me the newest model that they have right now. And I don't even know if you guys know about it, but it's basically the Bold 3. Not 2, not 1, but 3. And today, this came in the mail. And I'm like super excited right now to basically open it up and see what it is. Alright, so let's get this opened and see what's inside. Here is the inside of this amazing package. I don't know if you can see. Oh crap! Okay, so let's see what we have in here. They threw in like a Blackberry. Actually, it's great. And we have the Blackberry Bold 3 user manual. Let's look inside. This phone is awesome. There is a keypad, and guess what? The screen is huge. What an informative manual that we have here. But enough of this stuff. Let's get to the good stuff. Here's a screen protector, I'm guessing. Here is the charger, but I guess we'll get more to that later. And here is the main attraction. Da-da-da-da. I guess they put it in like a pretty cool case, right? Because I wouldn't want to scratch my Bold 3. Alright, let's get it out. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is like the coolest thing I've ever seen. Blackberry Bold 3. Holy jeez, I can't even explain. Oh my god, this is so crazy. Oh my god. And I'm like the first person in this world to have one of these right now. Whew! Can't even take it. What else do they have in here? Oh, okay. So they threw in like a 1.4 memory card, like external. Pretty thoughtful of them. Well, I guess there you have it. Bold 3. Never before seen. Until now. Too bad it's branded though. Rogers, AT&T. It's actually pretty awesome. It has like a full keypad. And it has a super huge screen, as the manual said. So, not disappointed by all. Let's take a look at the specs. I think I printed it out somewhere. Blackberry Bold 3. Okay, let's see. Let's see what it has. Features available: wireless email, corporate data access, organizer, wireless calendar, wireless internet, and paging. Like, holy crap. Size wise, it is 4.6 times 3.1 times 7.7 inches. Yeah, it's pretty thin. Like, compared to my old phone. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, here's my old phone. It's pretty big. So compared to this, it's a lot thinner, so that's a good thing. Plus, this phone is not very useful. Wouldn't make calls or anything either. All you can do is play Snake on it. Okay, let's see what else. Batteries, internal rechargeable, and the battery life is approximately 1 week data and email usage. 1 week, not 1 day, not 24 hours, but wait, where is it? There you go. Right there. No. There. No. There. 1 week data email usage. That is incredible! And it's also password protected, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Don't care. Alright. What else do we have here? Let's take a look at the charger. Comes with a personalized dock. And you guys thought that, you know, these things like USBs? Well, these are so 2009. You know what they use now? 2010? Like, these babies. See? 9 pins. 9. The more pins, the better it is. Oh my god. I'm still pretty astounded by how crazy this is. I bet you I can text faster than all of you now. But unfortunately, this phone does not have a camera. But don't worry, because I bought an external attachment. And here, it's pretty easy to hook up. I mean, you just take your phone, your BlackBerry Bold 3, and then wrap it around. And there you go. Perfectly useful camera. Alright, let's take a look at this dock again. So I can just basically plug this in into my laptop or computer or whatever you have. It's cool. And you just put your Bold 3 right onto the dock. And it snaps into place. It's so easy. It's so easy. Anyone can do this. Anyone can do this. What else do we have? We've got the protective case. Well, I guess that's about it. So if you guys, oh, well, unfortunately I don't have a charge yet, so it kind of sucks. But I'd show you guys how cool it is, like email and like text messaging. And if you guys want to hit me up on BlackBerry Messenger, you can. Once I get my PIN, I'll have to figure that out first though. Well, yep, that's that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I guess you can hit me up on Twitter and MySpace and Facebook and Gmail, Gtalk, maybe. I don't know. I'm just kidding. All right, peace.